The following movie is rated I.
Do some kayaking and some fishing. Alright, let's go to Yankeetown. I know Yankeetown is a little bit of a ride. It's not too far, but seeing all them islands, I want to go check that out and do some fishing. I do want to launch the pontoon boat up there too. We're here. We'll unload right here. Got some bait today.
Go away, baiting!
Shrimp. By the time I got out here, it's like blistering hot. Better head over this way. Fisherman. It's a nice little pier. Oh, look at that dolphin. There's a couple of them. There they are. There might be a little baby with them. Quite a few dolphins. Yeah, they're not full grown, they're small dolphins. Like maybe teenagers. They're all around me. Dolphins, and I just saw a manatee. I want to get in the water. This might be the spot. Oh yeah. This is nice. Maybe I'll stay here a couple hours. Water's pretty warm. Well, it's got to be 80 something. Turkey buzzards in the trees waiting for me. Right here, I could just about stand up. Oh, big sandbar coming up. Scared up some big fish. Turkey buzzards are on something over there. Kind of hanging around. Let's see what it is. What could be up on an island here? A manatee float up? A big fish? We're gonna find out. What do you got over here? That nest? What do you have? I don't see nothing. Oh, a little campfire. What you guys got here? Or Or is this just your spot? Nothing. Blue claw. Didn't make it. Hey, buddy. Sorry. What is that, a pipe? Must be a test pipe. More dolphins over by the launch. That was a big one. Like a full size. There he is. Porpoises, not dolphins, porpoises. Yeah, there's one. Mama is gonna be jealous. Yeah. Let's head back this way again. Current's pushing us out. Tide must be going out. Let's go see if we can see where that walkway is. Ooh, he's right there. Oh, there he is. There's one coming this way. Oh, look at that. They're so beautiful. There he is. Oh, wow. Where'd you go, Mr. Dolphin? That made it worth the trip alone to get one that close. Oh, another one. Gonna have to bring Mama up here. I could see just barely the walkway. Maybe if I hold the camera up. Can you see it? Maybe we'll do a little fishing right up there when this little jut meets the channel. Looks like another little beachy area. This might be a good spot up over here. Right here. It's a good spot, I think. Now if I was quick enough, I could just catch bait by hand. These things are so old. And look at this baby hook I got. I got nothing any bigger. The hell. There we go. Now we're talking. Not playing around this time. Oh, that's a good one. Come on, baby. I'll probably catch something that'll break the line. I think this is only like 8 pound. Drag is set though. What do you want to go take my hook out and get a big one? Nothing wants my shrimp?
That's what he says? Damn it!
You hungry? Nobody's hungry. Come on, little fishies. Come on. Come to my hand. I need some bait. Live bait. Try it over here. Nobody wants it. You think a crab or something would at least get it. That's crazy. Guess we'll move. Guess we'll troll a bit. Oh, he's got something. He lost it. Oh. Damn, he's got long cast. Back to shore. Nobody wants that Walmart non-refrigerated shrimp, apparently. Mullet. Not having any luck either, huh, buddy? One of these days I'll take you along and I'll catch a fish. Let's load it up and head home. And we're off. Well, that was fun even though I didn't catch any fish. Faux show.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.